This has to be the last question.
Now last question, yes.
Last question.
Yes.
What does it feel like to carry around such vast spiritual wisdom?
Vale. Kundudan chujo utone beta sherapta wisdom mangbu shujo was. That did part to namji pedigal talk under jungenas.
My daily practice, my daily life. Firstly, I love sleep. So sometimes I myself describe the realm of sleep. So can you believe each night 9 hours sleep? What do you think? Too much? Almost like a baby, 9 hours sleep. Then getting very early morning, 2:30, always. About 6, go to sleep. Then 2:30, 3, wake up, get up. Then meditation. Mainly, as I often mentioned, analytical meditation. For example, this morning, you see, while I meditate, and then namya seje, namya seje.
So after about 2 hours, it was getting bright, light, and the sun was rising.
Then, looking from the window, I too much sort of analytical meditation about emptiness. Nothing objectively exists. So because of that sort of, because of the awareness or feeling,
contemplation of.
요거는 어떠세요? 아까 지금 엄마를 저 삼아주지. 다그 즉 소소소식 삼을 동전 되고 하지.
So this morning, as the sun was rising, and
모니면서 쉬울 고민하고 모니면서 쉬울 고민해서 니리 즉프게 되네 여러 나의 것도디 니는 매봐 삼아씩 쉬우고 쉬우실 내용이 내용인데 어따 명냥 다요 삼아도 매봐 삼아도 다 내고도.
So as the sun was rising and I was looking out of the window, because of this contemplation on the absence of independent existence and in the substantial nature of the reality, it felt as if I was looking at something that looked like an illusion, that has an illusion-like quality, but at the same time I had to in fact bring a second thought saying, yes, this is still real.
So therefore,
So in this way, you get this, perception of a combination of appearance, but also absence of independent existence, the union of appearance as well as reality.
So this practice, now over 30 years, is my interest developed over 30 years. Then series of some experience about 40 years ago, some experience developed. Then last, I think 20 years, 15, 20 years, is a much deeper sort of experience. So this, I found really very, very sort of powerful effect, my sort of emotion, particularly destructive emotions such as anger, attachment, like that. So that understanding, not just a philosophical sort of understanding, but really affect my emotion. So you can call me a fairly good practitioner of Buddhist. Thank you. Thank you. 나 도시 눈이 돼 버리. 나 도시 눈이 됐어. I will go this way. So thank you very much. So so those people who really feel something agreeable is those point which I mentioned, then please think yourself more seriously and try to share to more people. And we all, as I mentioned earlier, we all have common responsibility to build happy world. In order to create happy world, we must make compassionate world. That I want to tell you. And then those people who have not much interest, then no need seriousness about that. And you carry your own daily life, including nightclub. Call it that.